ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः. Jai Sriman Narayana. Hi everyone. We all know the sun is one of the five aspects in nature. We are benefited by sun in many ways. Water gets evaporated and then forms clouds. It's only because of sun. And there it gets purified and then we get rains. And we get rains and we also get good crops. Only it's because of the sun. Not only that, even plants are able to prepare food on their own. Normally we think plants prepare food on their own. But for preparing food also they need sunlight. So if you take the outer meaning, that is the meaning which we get. But if we go into the depth, sun is considered as the God. Why is he considered as God? Let us know about him. What is today's speciality? Yes, today is Radha Saptami, birthday of Surya Bhagavan. So it is very auspicious day. Surya Bhagavan is considered as visual form of God called Surya Narayana. By making Surya as his charioteer consisting of white horses travel all over the world. It is said sun is stationary and planets including the earth rotate and revolve around the sun. But one thing what we have to realize is God as Surya Narayana is only the cause of the movements of all these planets at regular intervals of time. If we go into the depth, Paramatma is also the indweller of the chariot of Surya Bhagavan by making him as his soul. Our body is also just like this chariot where God resides. Our senses can be compared to those horses. Only difference between Surya and ourselves is he can make every aspect visible by making himself the huge universal lamp. But we Jivas don't have that ability. The reason is Surya has Swarupa Jnana, can have good control of those horses, in our words, senses. Always considers himself as just charioteer of Lord. As he has Swarupa Jnana, self-realization, Lord gave him such brightness and the power of making every aspect visible. This is what even Lord Krishna declares in Bhagavad Gita. So on this auspicious day, we adore Surya Bhagavan by chanting Aditya Hrudayam. It is believed even Rama chanted Aditya Hrudayam on being advised by Agastya Mahamuni at the time of war and was able to win victory over Ravana and demolished all evil-natured people and saved the world and became the Lord of universe not only in Treta Yuga but even today. Let us all chant Aditya Hrudayam on this auspicious day of Radha Saptami. Not only on this auspicious day, every day we have to show our gratitude to Surya Bhagavan by offering 3 hands full of water to Surya Bhagavan by chanting this sloka. Yehi Surya Sahasramso Tejo Rase Jagatpate Anukampayamam Bhacha Gruhanargyam Prasidavo. Jaya Sada Savitramandala Madhyavarti Sarsijasana Sannivishtaha Keiravan Makara Kiriti Hari Hiranimayapuhu Drutasanka Chakraha. Thank you. Jai Sriman Narayana.